Welcome to third standard social class video session. In this session, we are going to learn about mineral resources. We learn more information about some of the minerals found on the earth crust. Let us go into the session.
We are going to learn about the minerals bauxite, zinc and potash. Let us continue the conversation between father and son. Father: another very useful mineral is bauxite. Son: bauxite? I have never heard of it. Father: bauxite is used to make aluminium. Aluminium is used in electronics, construction, vehicles, and even in utensils. Son: tell me more about bauxite, Dad. Let us know. The bauxite deposits are mainly found in Shervaroi Hills of Salem district, Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, we get bauxite in Shervaroi Hills of Salem. Where is aluminium to be used? Aluminium is used in electronics, construction, vehicles, and even in making utensils, which means cooking vessels. Father: bauxite is used in aircraft making industry, electrical industry, and is also used in making machines. Son: interesting. Father: bauxite is used to make paper, purify water, and refine petroleum. It's also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics. Son: that is very informative, Dad. So, what is a bauxite? Bauxite is a sedimentary rock with a relatively high aluminium content. It is the world's main source of aluminium and gallium. So, bauxite is aluminium rich ore that is used for aluminium protection and for protection of refractory materials, chemicals, or cements. By states, Odisha alone accounts of 51% of our country resources of bauxite, followed by Andhra Pradesh 16%, Gujarat 9%, Jharkhand 6% of bauxite, Maharashtra 5% of bauxite, and Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh for 4% each. Major bauxite resources are concentrated in the East Coast bauxite deposit in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Let us practice one activity. Find the missing piece of an aircraft. Here it is given the 4 pieces. You have to select the correct one. So you have to look at the picture carefully and choose the correct one. I think the third one, it will be both first red and then blue. It is suited for the aircraft. So the third one is the correct choice. Let us continue the conversation. Father: have you heard about zinc? Son: no, Dad. Tell me about zinc. Father: zinc is called the essential trace element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Our body does not store excess zinc. It must be consumed regularly as part of the diet. Common food sources of zinc include red meat, white meat, and seafood. Son: what are the other uses of zinc? Father: zinc oxide is widely used in manufacture of many products such as paints, rubber, cosmetics, medicines, ink, batteries, textiles, and electrical equipments. Let us learn more information about zinc. More zinc is used to galvanize other metals such as iron to prevent rusting. Galvanized steel is used for car bodies, street lamp posts, safety barriers, and suspension bridges. Large quantities of zinc are used to produce die casting, which are important in automobiles, electrical, and hardware industries. Let us continue the conversation. Son. Oh, really? Father. The another most useful mineral is potash. Son. What are the uses of potash? Father. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. If the soil does not have enough potassium, potash fertilizers are used to improve the quality of the soil. The remaining 5% of potash is used in commercial and industrial products such as soap. Son. Thank you, Dan. This has been very useful. I am going to share this with my friends. Father. That's good idea, son. Let us recap the main points. What are minerals? Minerals are very useful or found naturally on the earth. Copper is used in all electrical appliances. Iron ore is mainly used to produce iron. Gold is considered as one of the most precious metals. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Zinc is called the essential trace element. Potash is very used for making fertilizers.
I hope you got clear information about some of the minerals found on the earth crust. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.